Thanks.
It's a beautiful morning. By names of Saba Apollo, and as a group, we are going to take you through the principles of ethics. Generally, there are 8 principles of ethics, but as an individual, I'm going to take you through the first 2 principles of ethics. And the first principle is the public interest. This principle states that a software engineer shall act consistently within the public interest. How is this achieved? They have to make sure that they accept all responsibilities of their work. In so doing this, they should make sure that they approve the softwares only if they found out that these softwares do not have any harm to the society or to the environment or even to the individuals of the society. Also, they have to make sure that in case they do identify any danger to the environment that can be caused by the new software or the software about to be implemented, they should report this to the authorities so that they can actually react to it as the principle states. Also, I'll take you through the second principle, which talks about which is the client's and employer's interest. In this principle states that a software engineer shall act in a manner that is within interest of the employers, clients, and also at the same time consistent with the public interest. In so doing this, they have to make sure that they always operate in their areas of competence. By doing this, they should not lie about their level of education, and they should be honest to tell people about what they can do and perform better. Yes, thanks for your time. That's what I can share. Let the next member take you through the next part.
Hello, welcome to our video. Now, I would like to take you through the professional ethics a software engineer must have. Now, these principles are so important for an engineer, such that because software engineers are so critical in that they have to be very careful when you're making these systems. For example, one of the principles is about the product. Take, for example, a health system. If a software engineer is to make that system a health system in a very short period of time, the highest probability is that that system will have negative effects on the clients. So this engineer has to take his time and be ethical. By being ethical, it means that he must leave enough time for the product he is making to avoid making a health system that will destroy people's lives. Then the other issue is, the other principle we have is integrity. Now, in some companies, for example, banks, we find that people, the software engineer is put in a very big position, and the engineer writes code to steal money from people's accounts to his account. Now that is not right, because you are causing losses to the bank trusted you with people's accounts, and for you, you just wrote code to steal people's money. That is not ethical. Please watch out.
Good morning. Welcome to our video. This is Matov George. I'm going to discuss the next principles, which are management and profession. The first one, I'm going to discuss the first one, which is the profession, which encourages software engineers to advance in profession to make sure that integration is followed in ethical ways. It should be followed. It should be done in the following ways. The first thing, they should allow software engineers to know about the profession. The second one, they should make sure that the management of the project is done well. The third one, they should allow software engineers to make ethical concerns where possible. Those are some of the ways to follow that principle. The second one, it is management. In this principle, it tells about software engineers to make sure that the profession is known by the public, and it should be followed in unethical ways. The principle should be they should be done in the following ways. In the first one, software engineers should follow that principle. The second one, software engineers should not be allowed to write code which is not consistent with the public. They should make sure, the manager of the software, the manager of the project should make sure that the software engineering profession is known worldwide or to the public. It should, okay, those are some of the ways. Thank you for your time.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pastor Jonathan. I'm going to take you through two principles. And one, we have colleagues and so. So I'll begin by colleagues. Software engineers shall always be fair and supportive to their colleagues. In particular, software engineers shall always be appropriate. For example, should always encourage their colleagues to adhere to the code. Another one, we have their colleagues should always be professional in their development of work. Then another one, they should always be fair, and they should always give proper opinions and concerns, like their complaints to their colleagues in time. So the last one, we have the principles of software engineers shall always participate in a long-term learning regarding to their particular work in their profession, and shall always promote their ethical approach. For example, a software engineer should always improve their ability and create self-reliable quality software at a reasonable cost within a reasonable time. Thanks for your time, and see you.